Guys, today we're going to show you the tutorial on how to replace the back case of the Xiaomi Mi Note 10, or known as the CC9 Pro. It has been shattered so badly, as you can see on the last camera, it's even broken. You can see it's really shattered, and yep, it took a bad fall. So things that we need are, you'll be needing your replacement case. Now I can change color. Suction cup, your plastic prying tool, your razor to cut the adhesive on the sides, and the most important, your industrial heat gun. So let's go. So first of all, we need to heat up the sides of this phone to make sure the adhesive is somewhat softer so we can pull it out. So we need this one. Okay, for sure it's hot. Next is to use this one, put it on the center, hopefully to pull it out, or maybe we can start it here like that. So we'll try to pull it up. Yeah, the unit is hot, still hot. Since the surface is no longer smooth, so I try to put packaging tape. Let's see if it works. Okay. Okay, so we were able to pry open this part. So slowly, so we just need to remove the adhesive slowly until the whole thing gets off. So now it's finally off. So all we need to do is just simply clean off every little micro glass shards we can find and remove the old adhesive before we apply the new one. Okay, so before we apply this one, we just have to make sure it's pretty clean. Okay, so we have already cleaned it using the brush, and right now we're going to peel off the protection here. Okay, so to make sure that it's applied easily. Okay, just need to heat it up again for a bit. Next is to press. Need to press down all the edges. Make sure okay, so basically we have fixed our Mi Note 10 aka CC9 Pro, and that's it for this tutorial on how to replace the glass back of your Mi Note 10.